Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how to find the latest meme coins and where to buy them. Now, before we get into the video, please understand to do your own research. This is not financial advice. So first thing you want to do is go onto CoinGecko. How do we get to CoinGecko? It is coingecko.com. And once you're on CoinGecko, you're going to see a lot of coins here, right? You're going to see Bitcoin, Ethereum. Well, these are not meme coins. So what you're going to do is there is a category tab right above this. You're going to click on categories. Now, once you're here, you're going to see all of these different categories down here. You're going to scroll down just a little bit until you see meme. Now, the number may change depending on the price of everything, but you're going to click on meme right here. And once you're in the meme category, what you're going to want to do is kind of look through whichever meme coin you want. So let's say I want Shiba Inu. I want to buy Shiba Inu and I want to learn more about Shiba Inu. I'm going to click on it and you're going to see all of the information about the coin itself. Now, here's how to see where you can buy it. On the top, you're going to see markets. You're going to click on markets and it's going to bring you down here. Now, all of these are the exchanges that support Shiba Inu. So you can see the top one is Binance, Upbit, KuCoin, and others. So what you want to do is just look for the exchange that you use. Let's just say I use Coinbase, and a lot of us use Coinbase. So once I do that, you're going to see that Coinbase or whichever exchange you may use, and you can just look through the pages. You'll see different exchanges. They're just on there because of their volume. So you do want higher volumed exchanges. As you can see, Coinbase is 3% of total volume, which is good. And you want to just go ahead and click on this pair. And once you click on it, it's going to bring you straight to the exchange and you'll be able to buy it from them. In this case, it brings me to Coinbase. So I'm going to sign in and buy it off Coinbase. Simple as that. Make sure you select the correct exchange that you want to use, and that's all. If this guide helped you, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be sure to get back to you. Have a great day.